Hey folks, welcome back. It's me Narendra. Today we are going to learn about Python strings. So let's begin. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. In this example you can see hello is with double quotation mark and also hello with single quotation marks. If I run them, there won't be any error, right? So either you can use single quotation marks or double quotation marks. We can also assign string values to a variable, as you can see. You can also write multi-line strings. So for that, either you can use 3 double quotation marks or 3 single quotation marks. That's your choice. So I'm just going to run them. So you can see the output. Strings are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. What we call this thing? We call this thing indexing. The first element is indexed at 0, the second element is indexed at 1, and so on like that. So in this example, I am going to access the first element, that is h. For that I am just going to pass 0. So you can see the output, looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string. For this we are going to use for loop. So you will learn about for loop in our upcoming tutorials. You can just see the implementation part. So in this example you can see the output. To find out the length of a particular string, we can use length function. So in this example you can see, if I run this thing, the length of this particular string is 13. Check string. Here we are going to learn about in keyword. So for example, I want to check if this particular string is present in this particular string or not. For that I am going to use in keyword. If that string is present means we will be getting output true. So the output is in boolean type. So if we don't get the string in this string in this particular string, the output will be false. So we can also use this in keyword in if statement. You will learn about if statement in our upcoming tutorials. We can just see the implementation part. So what we are doing, we are just printing this thing. If this particular string is present in this particular string, then we are going to print this thing. So if this string is not there in this particular string, it won't print anything. We can also use else statement, but we are not going in depth. As I told you, we will be learning about if statement in our upcoming tutorials. So here what we are learning, not in keyword. So it's quite opposite to the in keyword. If the string is present in this particular string, no, it will give output false. If it is not present, no, it will give output true. As you can see, expensive is not present in this particular string, that's why we got output true. So you can also use not in keyword in if statement also. So same like in keyword. And I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, you can just mention them in the comment section below. And that's it for now. Bye bye.